Bakeware sets offer a bang for your buck. When shopping for bakeware sets, prioritize durability, performance, and ease of cleaning. Additionally, look for sets that include the essential pieces you need for the most common baking tasks, ideally. Your bakeware set should provide a varied assortment of pieces to provide the most value. There are numerous bakeware options available, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. To support you in making a wise choice, I read a ton of reviews, conducted a ton of research, and eventually compiled a list of the top bakeware from reliable brands. For people just like you, I thought these things were quite helpful. Make sure to read my description if you're interested in learning more about the cost and other details. Consequently, let's get right into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Bakeware Set. 6-piece bakeware set includes a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, 2 round 9 inch cake pans, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 13 by 9 inch roast pan, and a 13 by 9 inch baking sheet. Non-stick coating for effortless food release and easy cleaning. Heavyweight steel construction for thorough, even heating. Oven safe to 428 degrees F hand wash for best results. Part of the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Bakeware Collection. Number 2. Chicago Metallic Bakeware Set. Need to throw something in the oven, but don't want to use a large pan? The Chicago Metallic Professional 4-piece non-stick toaster oven set features all the core essentials to create mouth-watering baked goods in less space. This 4-piece set includes a 9.5 by 6.25 inch baking pan, 9.25 by 6 inch cooling rack, 11 by 7 inch roast cake pan, and a 6-cup muffin pan. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. Easy release, silicone-based, non-stick coating for ease of baking and cleanup. Dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Not intended to be used under the broiler. Sharp-edged utensils and knives should not be used. At Chicago Metallic, we believe that serious baking requires serious bakeware. That's why we've been crafting innovative equipment for professionals and serious home bakers for over 100 years. We've built a global reputation one kitchen at a time. People know our products are built for durability and can be depended on year after year. We're proud to offer 3 distinct lines of premium bakeware plus stylish, innovative specialty bakeware and baking essentials. The Chicago Metallic Professional line of bakeware makes cooking and baking a delight. The non-stick surface easily releases each recipe and makes cleanup effortless. It's the preferred choice of bakers who understand quality and design, but also want professional-grade durability. Number 3. Rachel Ray Bakeware Set. This Rachel Ray non-stick bakeware set features heavy-gauge steel construction with roll-trim bake pan edges designed for easy, everyday use. Long-lasting non-stick. The baking pans feature long-lasting, latte-colored non-stick inside and out to provide excellent food release with quick cleanup. Comfort and control. Silicone grips on the bakeware pan handles offer plenty of solid, comfortable grasp, even with pot holders. To 10-inch x 15-inch cookie pans. To 9-inch round cake pans, 9-inch square cake pan, to loaf pans, 9-inch x 13-inch rectangular cake pan with lid, 12-cup muffin and cupcake pan. Designed for performance, oven safe to 450 degrees F. The non-stick bakeware set includes all the essential bake pan shapes for everything from cake making to cookie making to roasting and more. Versatile bake pans. Cake pan with lid is ideal for bringing goodies on the go. Cookie pans work great for sheet pan dinners. And round cake pans are perfect for roasting, too. Number 4. Kaitasensu Bakeware Set. Complete 7-piece bakeware set including a round cake pan, a square cake pan, a loaf pan, a cup muffin pan, a cookie sheet, a cooling rack, and a deep roast pan. All pieces of our baking set were designed to fit neatly into one another, saving you valuable space in your kitchen cabinets. The non-stick baking pan set will fit into regular kitchen cabinets or under standard kitchen ovens. Long-lasting nonstick. The interior of each piece has interlocking nonstick layers that are designed to deliver long-lasting, high-performance release and ensure easy food release with zero leftover residues. The tough material of the oven pond set disperses weight and heat evenly throughout the baking process for perfectly made recipes that won't get stuck or caked on. The Kaita Sensu heavy gauge steel bakeware is made of high quality and durable carbon steel that resists warping, popping, and bending. Even in high temperatures of up to 482 F, the material is rust and scratch resistant and is designed to last a lifetime. Plus, each piece of bakeware is lightweight for easy lifting. Number 5. Ecolution Bakeware Set. 4-piece set includes 8.5 x 6.5 cookie sheet and rack, 6-cup muffin pan, 8.5 x 6.5 cake pan, toaster oven's best friend. This multi-purpose toaster oven baking set is built to perform and last. Extra durable construction offers even heat distribution. The superior non-stick coating prevents food from sticking. Use this set to make meals, snacks, desserts, and more all inside your toaster oven. Dishwasher safe. This toaster oven baking set is 100% dishwasher safe, saving time on cleanup. Non-stick surface. The non-stick surface on each pan releases foods effortlessly. Perfect for small spaces. This toaster oven set solves space concerns in dorm rooms, apartments, and more. Use and care. The advanced non-stick technology is water-based and manufactured without PFOA.
That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.